What's going on, guys? Britta back with Codecademy Learn JavaScript. And today we're going to be learning about the switch keyword. Else if statements are a great tool if we need to check multiple conditions. In programming, we often find ourselves needing to check multiple values and handling each of them differently. For example, let grocery item equal papaya. If grocery item equals tomato, tomatoes are this. If it's papaya, papayas are this. Else, invalid item. In the code above, we have a series of conditions checking for a value that matches a grocery item variable. Our code works fine, but imagine if we needed to check 100 different values. Having to write that many if statements sounds like pain. A switch statement provides an alternative syntax that is easier to read and write. A switch statement looks like this. Alright, so let grocery if, alright, so switch, grocery item, case, tomato. Okay, break. The switch keyword initiates the statement and is followed by parentheses, which contains the value that each case will compare. In the example, the value or expression of the switch statement is grocery item. Inside the block, there are multiple cases. The case keyword checks if the expression matches the specified value that comes after it. The value following the first case is tomato. If the value of grocery item equal tomato, that case's console would run. The value of grocery item is papaya, so the third case runs. Papayas are 129. Is logged to the console. The break keyword tells the computer to exit the block and not execute any more code or check any other cases inside the code block. Note: without break keyword, the first matching case will run, but so will every subsequent case, regardless of whether or not it matches, including the default. This behavior is different from if-else conditional statements that execute only one block of code. At the end of each switch statement, there is a default statement. If none of the cases are true, then the code in the default statement will run. Let's write a switch statement to decide what medal to award an athlete. Athlete final position is already defined, so start by writing a switch statement with athlete final position as its expression. Okay, so let's go back up here to this example here. So that's first place. All right, so then switch, and we want to put athlete final position. All right, and then we do, how much does it want us to do here? Start by writing, okay, so we started it. Okay, that's what it wanted. Inside the switch statement, add 3 cases. The first case checks for the value of first place. If the expression's value matches the value of the case, then console.log the string, you got the gold medal. Alright, so let's take a peek back up here. So we want switch, athlete, and then we want case. Right, and then we just do this. Go back. This. Right? So we need to put that in there, and then we go down again, and we do console.log. And then we do, so all of this ends up in one thing, and then we do break. So then we just keep repeating that with whatever they want us to put. So let's go down here and do this. So case equals first place. If it equals first place, then type in you get the gold medal. Alright, break. So let's copy that. Paste that. Paste that. How many does it want us to do? Yeah, 3. So this one's going to change to second place. And then this one's going to change to you get the silver medal. And then this one's going to be third place, I think. Third place. And this one is you get the bronze medal. Remember to add a break after each console.log. All right. And we got the gold medal because it's first place. Now, add a default statement at the end of the switch that uses console.log to print no medal awarded. Now, do we have to put default? Yes, we do. So, at the end, let me get rid of that. We go back and we do default console.log. And then what does it say to put in? No medal awarded. And a semicolon. Nope. Add a default statement at the end of the switch that uses console.log to print no medal awarded if athlete does not equal any value or cases, then the string no medal award is logged to the console. Remember to add the break keyword at the end of the default case. Where's break supposed to be? Oh, that's why it didn't work. Break. Okay. Alright guys, we did it. Feel like I'm getting a little bit more comfortable. I need an example, but I can figure it out. Way to go. Here are some of the major concepts for conditionals. We're at the review now. An if statement checks a condition and will execute a task if that condition evaluates true. If else statements make binary decisions and execute different code blocks based on a provided condition. We can add more conditions using else if statements, comparison operators, including all of those. The logical and operator and or and checks if both provided expressions are truthy. The logical operation and or checks if either provided expression is truthy. The bang operator switches the truthiness and falsiness of a value. The ternary operator is shorthand to simplify concise if-else statements. A switch statement can be used to simplify the process of writing multiple else-if statements. The break keyword stops the remaining cases from being checked and executed in a switch statement. Alright, guys. Let's see what's up next here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end the episode here, but next time we will be starting this Magic 8-Ball project. So I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you let me know what you are thinking of this JavaScript course in the comments. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.